Hi everyone, and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kale, and today we're showing you how to make some amazing food right there at home. So Chef, what are we doing today?
What is your favorite smell when you walk into your mother's house?
It's probably bread.
Bread.
All right.
Nailed it.
Right answer.
So that's what we're going to do today.
I see the yeast is
The
already
yeast
alive.
is starting to love the world here. So what we have is we heated up our milk, butter, and our water to about 120 degrees. If you go above that, it's actually going to kill your yeast.
Well, yeah, okay, makes sense.
Right, so we're going to put that into our bowl. Also, another thing that'll kill yeast is salt. So you always put your salt on the bottom of your bowl.
Okay.
We have our 5 cups of flour we just threw our yeast in.
Excellent.
We'll put the rest of our liquid, 2 beaten eggs, make sure they're beaten pretty well.
Very nice.
And some sugar.
All right.
You can also start your yeast off with some sugar because it likes to eat that too. Thanks, friend.
All right.
So we're gonna let this go. And you want to knead it until it starts coming on the sides of the bowl for about 6 to 7 minutes.
Okay, so you want it to stick. You do want it to stick inside the bowl.
Right, right. It'll come across, and then on your dough hook, it'll start making a little ball.
Okay, and then you can add a little bit of flour as needed, if needed.
If you need to, yeah. Our bench flour right here, just in case.
Okay, just to get that consistency.
So we're gonna let that and pretend that we did all that.
And Chef Kale got it right the first time anyway.
Right. So you're gonna put it in a bowl.
Okay.
Cover it, put it in a warm spot for about an hour, hour and a half until it doubles in size.
Just like on the counter or something like that, though, right? Not like in the oven.
No.
Okay, all right. I've never done this before. You're teaching me all kinds of new stuff here.
So look at this. It's just gorgeous.
That's awesome.
It's just gorgeous. So now what we're gonna do is make clover leaves.
Okay.
And this is called punching in the baking world. You're just getting all the air and working the gluten in the bread.
Excellent.
So this is called scaling. And what we're gonna do is make little balls.
Okay.
You try to make it as consistent as you can.
All right.
So to roll, and this is really important, and it takes a lot of time, you use the back of your hand, push and pull back, push and pull back.
And pull, okay.
And then when you get really good, you make a ball.
Bam. Easy enough.
Right? Just like Play-Doh. Go ahead and give her a shot.
Let me do one.
And these are called clover leaves.
Back and front.
So all the way there. There you go. And you're going to do 3 little balls.
Into one.
Into one.
Okay. All right.
And through oh, Josh, honey, we'll work on it.
All right, sounds good.
Go ahead and show us what it looks like when it comes out of the oven.
All right, Magic TV, we've got it right here. Oh, those are awesome. And they look familiar because I know you can get these in the Ingles Bakery as well.
That's right, that's right.
All right, thanks so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn more and about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit thechefskitchen.com. See you next time.